In this video, our technical analysis for Axie Infinity bounced off exactly as predicted, and we'll also take a quick look with Cardano as we are seeing a massive opportunity. Same goes with VeChain. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video first. So let's go into VeChain first. So recently I actually posted this video about VeChain where we were seeing a massive opportunity. So kung nakita nyo to, then congrats. I guess you are already in profits by now kung napunod nyo to earlier. But yeah, for VeChain, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na opportunity. Kasi if you're going to look in the 4-hour time frame, if we are above the 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, that would mean that we are very bullish for VeChain in the long term. So, if you have seen the previous video, makita mo na si VeChain was previously at this level. Kung titingnan natin closely, andito pa lang si VeChain nun. Kung titingnan mo yung video, ayan o, nagisimula pa lang siya. And yeah, exactly as predicted, nag-pump siya. As sabi ko sa inyo, pag nasa above na tayo, that's actually a big potential and a big move for this coin. So remember, the 200 moving average is a good thing to watch out for. So yeah, VeChain is pumping exactly as predicted based from our previous video. For VeChain holders, congratulations sa inyo kasi I believe na you're already in profits in this one. But what's next for VeChain? So right now, for VeChain in the 4-hour, of course, we are overbought. So it's possible na pwede tayo mag-consolidate muna for a while. So, ang kailangan natin ngayon tingnan is the 20 moving average. So, let's look at the 20 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, if you could see in the 20 moving average, we are now very far off from the 20 moving average. At some point, this must somehow get a correction or a consolidation. So, right now, this is a good selling opportunity. Right now, RSI is starting to decline in the 4-hour time frame while the price is increasing, so that could be a bearish divergence. It's time to be cautious right now for VeChain in the short term, pero for the long term, I believe na we are very healthy for the long term dito kay VeChain. Hanggang saan kaya nga abutin ni VeChain for this movement? So in order to know our next target for VeChain, we are going to look at the Fibonacci retracement dito. So let's plot a Fibonacci, and then from the previous high to the lowest low, and then ito yung ating target. So right now, actually, we are encountering a major resistance for VeChain. So if na-break natin si 1 cent area dito kay VeChain, if na-break natin yan, then our next technical target would be actually the 13 cents area. So right now, we are getting some strong resistance dito sa 1 cent. So if na-break natin siya, then expect a move up until the 13 cents area. Actually, 14 cents area yung ating next target for VeChain. Pero if hindi natin siya na-break, then expect a consolidation between the 20 moving average or 50 moving average between 9 cents up until the 10 cents area. So yeah, that's VeChain, and yeah, those are the levels to watch out for. Now let's look at Cardano naman. So for Cardano, we are actually seeing this pretty stable movement for Cardano now. We have been following for a very long time. If you could see, Cardano has been pretty much consolidating at this area for a very long time. So right now, we are now at the critical level for Cardano. So this would mean na we might actually start to break out anytime soon. And if we're going to look at the MACD, the last time na nandito tayo sa area na yan, we were actually overbought in the MACD area. Kasi we were above this zero threshold. Nung time na yan, no, overbought tayo. Pero right now, itong same na area na yan, we are currently oversold. So this would mean we are gaining big momentum to pump to the upside. So this would mean if na-break natin itong 1.47 US dollar na area, then we can see a massive pump for Cardano anytime soon. So right now, I believe ang next thing na kailangan mangyari is, ito kasi meron tayo dito falling wedge. So, if you're going to look at this falling wedge, ang ating technical target of this falling wedge would be the highest point of the wedge, which is itong area na yan, which is around, I think, 1.8 US dollars. So, our technical target for this is 1.8 US dollars for Cardano. So, yeah, that's a level to watch out for Cardano. We are starting to get overbought here sa daily, pero we can still gain momentum to the upside. And kailangan niya ma-break din yung 100 moving average dito sa ating Cardano price action, 100-day moving average. Kasi if you're going to look closely, may resistance tayo, yung 100-day moving average, kailangan niya ma-break yan. And of course, this strong resistance na 1.47 US dollars. That's for Cardano. And yeah, before we move into other coins, let's look at the Bitcoin price. So for the Bitcoin price, we are actually starting to see this movement for the Bitcoin price. So right now, in order for altcoins to pump, kailangan natin siya mag-consolidate between this area of around 36,000 US dollars up until the 44k. So right now, I believe Bitcoin must consolidate dito para mag-pump yung altcoins. Kasi kung hindi natin na-hold yan or tuloy-tuloy yung pump dyan, makukuha lahat ng attention kay Bitcoin. And that's not good for altcoins kasi may iwanan yung mga altcoins sa pump. Now remember, Bitcoin dominance ang concept dito. Hindi yung, pag sinasabi natin na dependent ang price action kay Bitcoin, hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan sumabay sa pump ni Bitcoin. Ibig sabihin nun, pag dependent, you need to understand the fundamentals of the dominance. So, sa dominance, kailangan decreasing yung dominance habang umaakit si Bitcoin para mag-increase yung altcoins. Pero right now, the dominance is currently increasing while Bitcoin is increasing. So, this would mean it's either hindi sasabay yung altcoins or may iwanan sila ng pump. So, right now, the dominance must somehow get dumped para mag-pump yung mga altcoins natin habang nag-increase si Bitcoin. Pero with that being said, you could see na nagkaroon tayo ng red candle kahapon. So, ibig sabihin, nagkaroon tayo ng pump somehow sa mga iba't ibang altcoins. So, nagkaroon tayo ng short-term pump sa altcoins kaya natin nakita nag-pump si VeChain, si Cardano, Ethereum, and many more coins, AXS Infinity, SLP. Ito yung cost ng short-term pump natin sa mga coins na yon. Pero right now, green ulit. So, ibig sabihin, hihina ulit yung altcoins. With that being said, tapusin natin muna yung analysis for Bitcoin. So, for Bitcoin, we need to know na this 200-day moving average yung ating current resistance. And if na-break natin yan, of course, mapupunta sa Bitcoin yung ating attention. So, magiging healthy si Bitcoin, maiwanan yung altcoins. And then, ang next target naman natin for Bitcoin, if ma-break natin yung 200-day moving average, is by getting this Fibonacci. So, right now, ang next target is actually the 46.8k area. So, 46.8k yung next target for the Bitcoin price. And that's for the midterm, if only ma-break natin si 200-day moving average. So, right now, kailangan niya ma-break yon. And take note, overbought tayo kay Bitcoin. Possible na mag-start tayo ng bearish divergence dito. But yeah, be cautious lang. If you want to enter Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other coins, always wait for a dip. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Expect more consolidation. And tomorrow will also be another crucial day for Bitcoin. So bakit ba crucial yung movement natin tomorrow? Well, it's because of this 21-week moving average. So 21-week moving average is actually the bull market support band. So let's look at this closely para makita nyo. So, the 21-week EMA will actually tell us if we are in a long-term bull market. So, if nag-close tayo dito tomorrow at 8 a.m., then this would confirm na we are now entering the second phase, the second half of the bull market ni Bitcoin. So, right now, you need to watch out for this level kung magka-close siya tomorrow dito above the red line. Pero it looks like na magka-close tayo above. So, I believe we are now entering a long-term bull market. And yeah, good look yung RSI natin kasi hindi tayo overbought and magkakaroon tayo ng major MACD cross. So this would mean na we are about to enter this long-term bull market kay Bitcoin. So stay tuned for that one, guys, and wait for a dip and follow a dollar cost average when entering Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin, and shout out sa ating sponsor for today. Our sponsor for today is Shawarma. Masarap yung shawarma nila, guys. They have authentic Middle East shawarma. So if you guys want to order shawarma, you can actually buy this shawarma. It's available in their Instagram or their Facebook. Mag-iwan ako ng link to their Facebook page para makita nyo kung paano ba mag-order. And yeah, sobrang sarap ng shawarma nila, guys. I highly recommend na tikman yung kanilang shawarma. Pinadala nila ako earlier this week and grabe, masarap yung shawarma nila. So yeah, I highly suggest na try nyo yung shawarma nila. And let's take a look naman kay Ethereum. So ang technical target natin previously kay Ethereum was 3,000 US dollars. And look at that. We actually met our target exactly as predicted din for Ethereum. So right now, ano ba yung next target natin for Ethereum? Well, our next technical target for Ethereum is actually the 3.2k area. So nakuha natin yung technical target after breaking out from this rising channel and nilagyan natin siya sa point of breakout. So right now, 3.2k area is our technical target for Ethereum in the short term. Possible na mag-play tayo dito, and if mag-dip si Ethereum and Bitcoin, then of course, 3,000 US dollar is now our strong support. Other support includes 2.8k and 2.7k for the short term kay Ethereum. So right now, overbought sa Ethereum, so you should watch out for this. And yeah, possible na hindi natin maabutan yung 3.2k kasi overbought tayo. But yeah, expect somehow na mag-consolidate tayo dito at some point for Ethereum, not unless maging healthy yung ating dominance and Bitcoin price. So for AXS Infinity, as previously mentioned, for AXS Infinity, in order for AXS Infinity to pump, kailangan natin mag-touch sa 100 moving average kasi historical data sinasabi nila na pag nag-touch tayo sa 100 moving average, yun tayo magpa-pump. Same goes dito, nag-pump. And look at what happened today. We touched this red line exactly and we received this pump exactly as predicted. So, congratulations, guys, if you were patient from this area, from this point on. So right now, what must happen with Axie Infinity is it must break this $45 area. If ma-break natin yan, then of course, our next target would be the $53 area. Pero in order for Axie Infinity to pump, kailangan mag-decline yung Bitcoin dominance. Dapat maging red to. So right now, green pa siya. So ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa healthy yung altcoins movement natin ngayon. Pero once na maging red tong dominance, at the same time, nagpa-pump si Bitcoin, then this would mean na aakit si Axie Infinity for the short term. So yeah, that's the level na you should watch out for Axie Infinity. Next is, yun nga, $53 US. So for SLP naman, as you can see, we were actually playing these areas exactly as predicted pa din. So far, so good. Sabi natin 17 cents ang ating technical target for this falling wedge and na-hit na natin siya. So right now, we are playing between the 17 cents and yung 20 cents area, which is yun yung ating sinasabi na support and resistances. However, ang technical target pa din nito is still the 15 cents area. So yun pa din yung update natin for SLP. But still, oversold tayo kay SLP. So any area between 15 cents up until the 24 cents are a good buying area for the long term if you want to invest in SLP for the long term. So yeah, yun lang nag-iisang update natin for SLP. And look at that green candle. And ayun nga, may green candle tayo dyan dito kay SLP. And the cause of that green candle was because of this red candle na nakita natin kay dominance. So red candle kay dominance habang Bitcoin is pumping, doon magpa-pump ang SLP, which yun nakita natin exactly. So remember, being dependent on the Bitcoin price doesn't mean na kailangan sumabay sa price. Being dependent means you need to follow the fundamentals of the Bitcoin dominance. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.